collapsible workbench. However, since it's a little bit experimental, it's solid as a unit, but when I fold out these legs, there's a wobble in there. I set it aside for a while and thought it over and came up with some kind of a solution, at least I hope. When it's set up with the legs open, I have two separate boards. Put some holes in there, put some coupling nuts in the workbench itself, several points, and then just when I set up the bench, I'll just add the two pieces, one on each side, bolt them in, and assumably have a solid workbench. So I sawed these two pieces to size, and now I'll add a few holes in them. Now that I have the holes in there, I'll put this board on and transfer those holes to the main bench. That's one. Okay, so I drill my hole. The first thing is what I do is use this coupling nut, and the hole is slightly smaller but big enough to fit it, so you can see that it's stuck now in there. And while I cannot put it all the way in, it gives me a good base to enlarge it to the right size. So now I got 6 of them on one side, and let's try it out first. It's just a try out because I still have to put some washers, at least space for some washers in, and I really have to tie it up as well. I have to fill in these screw holes in the workbench, so then some wood glue. Let it dry a bit, and then cut it off with a razor saw. Finally I take my razor saw, and there it goes. And then finally some sanding down, but I need to do a lot more sanding, so I'll just do it a little bit. Okay, I'm getting there slowly with the bench itself. Still some additions that I want to do to it, but next step is to sand the entire top of it again. There's some irregularities here with the connection, and so I just want to give it another flattening session so that it's optimal. So let's do some sanding. It's not perfect, but it looks good. Now some poly on top of it. Then a little bit of poly. The last time I showed it to you when I just made it, and it was a new design, so things go wrong, although it wasn't really wrong. The bench on itself is pretty sturdy, but when I put it down, it has two hinges here to fold it up, and those two hinges made it wobble, especially I had it at a different location where it was really sloping as well. This is sloping a little bit that way. But what I did, I put it aside for a couple of weeks and thought about it, and the best solution I could come up with was this extra board that I put on the side with some coupling nuts, and getting that pulled together. Right now it's as solid as I can get it. I had planned it like this, to use it as a desk seat. There will be a desk here, and I would have a seat to sit at the desk. I got these feet that are connected to a T-nut, and what I'll do is, I couldn't have any feet at the top, of course, because that's my work surface. So I thought of putting in some T-nuts here at the top, which will be flush with the surface, so they're not in the way, and they still have an opening for me to put that feet in, and then in this case 4 feet, one at each corner. The feet is the next thing I'll be doing. Start with a Forstner bit, very shallow. that's good. Next one. So now I got my 4 feet. I still have the ability at least to try it out here. Yeah, these are sliding feet, so that works on the 4 better too. Next thing will be that seat cover and the shroud around it. We'll take care of that later. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.